So I'm going to model how I would model a word sum on my two AAC apps. First on CoughDrop. So I go to English.
English orthography, phonetics and phonology.
I would say my word sum.
Word sum. Spell out orthography. Prefix. D-I-S.
I go back and
S-E-C-T.
T is my base. And again I
Plus.
go back and press the
Suffix.
I-O-N.
I-O-N.
And this is the process. Arrow is rewritten as. Check the joins.
Check the joins.
I see my suffix begins with a vowel letter.
The suffix begins with a vowel letter.
But my base ends with vowel consonant is E-C-T.
The base or stem ends with more than one consonant letter. Just add the suffix.
I just
add the suffix.
So D-I-S-S-E-C-T-I-O-N. Dissection. Another way we can model word sum is using the draw feature, which I would prefer. I go to U is for prefix, D-I-S. I use plus sign, and green is the base, S-E-C-T. Again plus sign, and my vowel suffix I-O-N is rewritten as, I would write it down, but before that I need to check the joins, and I see I'm adding a vowel suffix, so I need to check what is before. I have two consonants after a vowel, so I can just add my suffix. I don't have to double the consonant before the vowel suffix. So I'll write T-I-S-S-E-C-T-I-O-N, dissection.